What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Near Protocol, which has hit a huge green candlestick guys. As you guys can see, currently trading at $5.88 and has pumped up over 42% in the last 24 hours. So we're going to be going through where is the crypto heading to next. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to take a little bit of a dip? And also going through buyers and sellers point of view. Is it time to buy the crypto? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profit? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher, potentially heading to around $10 later on this year? So covering both short-term and long-term investors as well, looking at, is this a crypto to be investing into in 2024? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Near Protocol, which is here in purple at just over $4. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here, just under $6, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we are looking quite skeptical. The blue line is looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Near Protocol over the next 12 to 14 hours. So by midday to afternoon time, the crypto should be hovering around the $6 mark, is also what I'm expecting. Because it's pumped up quite a lot, it is likely to hit red candles as well over the coming hours, going for a little bit of a step back in value, taking a little bit of a dip. So trading around $5.70, $5.80 is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at by midday to afternoon time. So do expect both green and red candles. However, because of the major 40% pump, it is likely to take a little bit of a step back in between as well. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, now we're looking a little bit too steep. We still got the blue and the orange line looking way too bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and it is looking too steep, meaning this is not realistic. So the only reason it's looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks essentially the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next 7 to 8 days, which is not the case. So yes, I'm expecting an overall minimal increase in value from the crypto, but I am also expecting red days in between as well. So by the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting it to hit more red days. So it should be hovering around $6.40, $6.50, somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting Near Protocol to be trading at by mid next week. Even though it is likely to hit red candles, the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. Now, moving on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks, once again exact same as the previous chart. Both the lines are looking way too steep, heading towards the bullish direction. So this is once again not realistic. However, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late April 2024, I'm expecting the crypto to have gone for an overall minimal increase in value, potentially heading over $8 is what I'm expecting. But to go in a little bit more detail, I am also expecting a price correction in between. So Near Protocol should take a little dip by mid to late March down to just below $4 is where I'm expecting it to be heading down to, potentially around $3.70, $3.80. and then slowly starting to gain value for the rest of March, April and May, heading over the $7, nearly hitting $8 by mid-year is what I'm expecting at the moment. However, if there are any major changes to this, I will let you guys know as soon as possible, as I keep you guys updated on a regular basis on majority of the cryptocurrencies that I cover on this channel. And if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me also know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are at a very critical point right now. We have broken out from the red zone into the green zone. However, it did not resist a single point at the resistance level, meaning it is not sustainable right now. So again, as I mentioned earlier on in the video, I'm expecting it to hit red candles in between. So what it should do is drop back down into the red zone to around $5.20, $5.30, and then struggle to break out at this level here, which is around $5.40, and then head into the green zone towards the end of the week and early next week, and potentially head to around just above $6 by mid next week is what my expectations are at the moment. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale. Heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, the trading volume has gone up over 95% in the last 24 hours, making it $1.2 billion in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Near Protocol. Reason is, it is one of the top gainers. According to Binance, it is the 5th top gainer in the last 24 hours. So it is getting a lot of attention around it, a lot of hype as well. So many more people are trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view, meaning it is also helping the value of Near Protocol pump up higher than where it is at the moment. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on the crypto. Can it potentially hit the $10 mark in 2024? Simple answer is yes, it could, but I'm not expecting it to hit that anytime soon. It's going to take quite a while. Q3 of 2024 is when I'm expecting Near Protocol to be hitting the $10 mark. Reason being is, it is going to have to go for a slow and steady increase in value, and it has to be sustainable. Let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting Near Protocol to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.